Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today we are going to be making that style that you watch me put it on with this material here. I have 2 yards of this fabric, and this bias is what I'll be using to turn the neck round of this gown. These are the measurements we'll be making use of. It's a very free gown and doesn't need much. So if this is something you're interested in, please follow me, hit on the subscribe button, and let's get started. So now the first thing to do now is for me to just open it up. I've already told you it's 2 yards, so now I'll just have to open it up just the way you see me doing. And having done that, now you can see guys, this right here is the wrong side and this right here is the right side, as you can see. So now I'll just have to turn it up now, the wrong side facing up, and having done that, I'll just have to fold it into 2 equal parts just the way you see me doing. So using the measurement, I'll just have to fold it up to 24 inches. So we have something like this now. So now I'll just have to measure, and we have the 24 inches for the shoulder length. So I'll just have to turn it over now and then just cut it out using that 24 inches from the top to the down. So now you can see I've cut it out and we have the 24 inches here, as you can see. So now the next thing for me to do, this 24 inches, I'm going to be dividing it into 2 separate pieces. So I'll just have to turn it over now and then just use my scissors to cut it out. So now having done that, this is what we have. So now I'll just have to open it up and remove one part. So this other part here, I'll just have to fold it into 2 equal parts just the way you see me doing, and I will have to bring the other one and then fold it into 2 and place on top. And now this is what we have, you can see. So now the next thing for me to do is to use my measurements now to cut the neckline. And for that, for the neck length here, this is the back part, this one up here is the back part of this gown. So I'll just have to measure 3 inches and mark it out. And for the neck dip, I will have to measure 1 inches and just mark it out and make a curve. So having done that now, I'll just have to use my scissors to cut it out. So now we have something like this. You can see this is for the back part. So for this front part, I will have to mark 3 inches there as well and just mark it out. And on the depth, I will have to measure 5 inches and just mark it out. So now I'm just going to make a curve up as you see me doing. So now having done that, I'll have to use my scissors to cut it out. So guys, you can see the look now after cutting it out. This here is for the front part, and you can see how it came out, and this right here is for the back part. So this is what we have now. And for the armhole length, I have 9 inches. I'll just mark it out. So now I'm just going from that 9 inches, I will have to make a curve a little bit down, you can see. So now I'll just have to make the curve out, and this is what we have. So now you can see this is what we have. So now we'll just have to turn it over now to make it straight. And for the length, the full length of this gown, I've already told you, is 54 inches, but I will be measuring 56 instead. The remaining 2 inches is for the sewing and the folding allowance. So I'll just have to cut it out using 56 inches. So guys, having done that now, this is what we have. So for the band here on this sleeve part, I'll just have to break these remaining pieces, and for that I will have to measure 8 inches because this is going to be in a fold. By the time I've folded it into 2 now, it will be 4 inches. So I'll just have to measure the 8 inches and then cut it out with it. Having done that, I'm going to be needing 2 of it, so I'll just have to cut another one for it as well. So you can see guys, this is 8 inches, and by the time I folded it into 2, it's going to be 4. So guys, this that I've already cut out now is for the both sleeve, so now I'll just have to divide it into 2. So guys, having done that, now you can see this is one part and this other one is for the other part. So now bringing back the gown itself, I'll just have to open this up, and this right here is the back part of this gown. So I'll just have to open it up and then bring the front part as well and place on top. So I'll just have to take it to the sewing machine to stitch the shoulders down. So guys, I've done it. I've stitched the shoulders down and this is it. You can see how it looks. So now the next thing to do is on this sleeve part here, I'll just have to open it up and bringing that band, I'll just have to fold it into 2 like this. So now it's about 4 inches and I'll just have to place it here and take it to sew, and I'll do the same thing to this other side. So guys, I've stitched it down, I've stitched the band to it, and this is what we have. You can see the 2 sides. So now just have to open it up. This is how it looks. So now the next thing to do is for me to just open up the gown, and then for the neckline, I'm just going to use this bias now to fold the neckline all the way around and then just top stitch it inside. And having done that, now this is what we have. You can see how the neck round is now. I've already top stitched it, and this is how we have it to be like. So now the next thing for me to do is just to join the shoulders together. And for the sleeve part all the way to the down, so I'm just going to be sewing it down using 1.5 inches on both sides. So you can see I've done that, and this is what we have. You can see how it looks now from the sleeve part all the way to the down part. So now I'm just going to take these down parts to fold. So guys, this is the final look, and this is me putting it on. Here on the left side, you can see the gown is free, and you can also decide to tie it on the waist on this right part, as you can see. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Bye.